Hey, so I guess this is kind of exciting. It's my first official YouTube video, and it is sponsored by TIMELESSTRENDS corsets. All of their information is going to be linked below with a discount code and stuff that you guys can use for their site. This video is going to be kind of like 3 parts. The first part is going to be answering some questions that you guys had, because a lot of people had questions on my original video. And I'm going to kind of dispel some myths, because there were a lot of people who were sending me some pretty like drastic imagery saying that like, oh, your organs are all screwed up now because you wore a corset once. If you're corseting extremely small every single day, yes, it's going to do damage to your organs. However, these corsets are designed to be able to be worn for cosplay or for videos or for casual wear, whatever. They're really comfortable, they're lightweight, they're movable. I'm going to get into all that when I'm answering the questions though. And then I'm gonna try them on and kind of talk to you guys about the different kinds of corsets there are. So I guess I have the questions here because I am pea-brained and can't remember anything. So my first question is it comfortable? And the second question is, does it hurt? And those are kind of one and the same. Yes, it's comfortable. No, it doesn't hurt is the short answer. Long answer is these corsets, like I said before, are designed to be movable. The kind of structure of them, if I hold it, this is the blue one from the video, not on me. If I hold it like this, you can see the curve of here, of the springs, and you can see the band. So that band is really what's doing the cinching on the center of my waist. This kind of corset is a very tight, designed to have a very extreme look. No, it doesn't hurt. If I were to wear it for 10 hours straight, it may begin to feel a little uncomfortable. It's all about your own comfort level. The other part of that is you have to get a corset that fits, and you have to get a high quality corset. I will literally never buy a corset from anywhere else again. TIMELESSTRENDS is amazing. I have had the red and blue corset, which I'm going to show later in the video. I've had them for years, and they are not showing even a stitch of damage. They're amazing. I love them. I'm really excited to try the black one on too. But nope, if you get a corset that fits, if you get a high quality corset, then you're gonna be fine, and it's not gonna hurt, and it's not gonna be super uncomfortable, and you're actually gonna be able to manage wearing it for your whole convention or whatever you're wanting to wear it for. Can you walk, sit, or move in it? I'll do a demonstration after I answer the questions explaining that, or just showing you. Yes, I can breathe. They don't crush your rib cage. They do your waist, not your rib cage. The older corsets from the Victorian era would downsize everything. These are more meant to, rather than permanently keep that figure once not wearing the corset, which is what Victorian corsets were meant. They were more like binding. Like when people bind their feet, it's kind of like that. You're binding your whole waist and you're trying to shrink it tiny. This is more temporary. It's not pushing on your bone structure and deforming you, which is the big common misconception. Everyone was sending me photos of people with like bent in rib cages. No. That's why there's a strip down the middle where your waist is. Your waist is the squishy part. I can push so far in on my waist because it's squishy. Let's see if we'll shift around here. If I can move this freaking chair out of my way. Okay. So here I am. Here's my waist without it, just as kind of a mini comparison. And I'll show you guys how easy they are to put on. So this is how the guy who is in charge of the company showed me to do it when I bought it from him a few years ago. So for this one, you can tell that it's the bottom because the string is tied, and it's the way that the tags go. And you're gonna put it, you're gonna wrap it around like that. You're gonna bring it forward. You only want to do up your middle ones for right now. And then the bottoms will do more easily, and the top will do more easily. And you want to arrange it so that that kind of part where it goes in is directly on where your waist goes in. If it is above that, it'll be uncomfortable. If it is below that, it'll be really uncomfortable. So putting it on properly is also part of are part of it. You're gonna grab your strings at the back and you're gonna pull. Simple as that. Grab your strings at the back and pull as tight or as loose as you want, and then it is on. That is it from the back. All I did was put it on and pull, and it's fully tightened. Their corsets are designed to be able to be done yourself. They're designed to be easy. I can totally move in this freely. Like I can do squats, like I can like fully lift my legs up. I can bend over. I can like twist, like I don't know. Full mobility basically is all you guys need to know. I do have full mobility. Whew, okay. And see how it stops this part? Like I can fit my thumbs in here and I can even pull it away. Like there's space in there. Because it's only tight right here. It's not tight on my rib cage. It's not pushing in. I can still take in full breaths. I'm not limited in any way. I'm not being like hurt or anything. And taking them off is just as easy. Pull. Get your finger in the thing and pull. And pull. And then from the top. And then the bottom. Simple as that. So you saw how drastically that like made my waist look like it went in. It only went in like an inch. My waist is naturally 24, and I think in this it's 22. Or it's close to 24. I don't know. I might have made it go in 2. We'll see. This is my other corset. Now this one, you can tell whether you wear it like this, or like this, because there are straps at the bottom. And those straps are to attach to a garter belt if you were to have one. And again, the knot in the string is at the bottom of the corset too. Another indicator that it is the bottom. This one, again, you want to try to get those middle one first, and the rest will come more easily. This one, it doesn't really go in, so you don't need to worry about it sitting perfectly on your hips. It just needs to be comfortable. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. This one is a little bit harder to do, so they don't like to go together all the way. So you do have to pull it with your fingers, but it's the same as doing up the shoelaces on your shoe. You're just gonna pull them, and you guys can probably see it cinching up. If you can see it cinching up at the bottom, getting a little tighter down there, and then pull, and then same with the top. The top you don't want to tighten as much, because then you will be crushing your ribs, because this one does go over my ribs, and the other one I'm going to be trying on does go over my ribs. So you do have to be careful of not tightening the top too much with both kinds. As you can see, I have the bottom tightened, and I have the top looser, which allows my chest to not be restricted, but to still get the kind of corset shape from it. I did not know these pockets had pants. Pants had pockets. Pockets had pants. Again, the craftsmanship on these are amazing. This one is kind of a crushed velvet. It's like really nice. I'll give you a little 360. Really nice corset. The blue one I also really like. And right, always loosen it before you go to take it off. Loosening it is important. Or it might hurt trying to get it off. Not hurt, but it won't be as easy. Okay, it's fine, I got it off. And for the piece la resistance, here it is. I'll give you guys a 360. Get wrapped up in my microphone cable here. So the first thing I would say right off the bat about this corset is that this is not a beginner corset. Lacing this up by yourself, if you do not have the experience or know what you're doing, was actually a little bit difficult, but I know what I'm doing, so I was able to do it. It's not more difficult than your average full bust corset. Full bust corsets are just kind of more of you need experience, of course, that's to wear them. They're a little bit more uncomfortable just by the nature of them, because they are your full self. So they are putting a little bit more tight here. That's why you just have to make sure you're not tightening your top too tightly. And they are actually going, this one is actually going down over my hips a little bit. Like my hips start like here, so they're going halfway down my hips, which means that you're compressing a lot more. You do not need to have the bottom tightened so hard. Say I have the bottom very, very loose here. I would say that this corset is really comfortable. Like I can do all my normal things. Oh goodness. All right. I can do all my normal things in it. Like it's super comfortable. It's super fitted. This is a beautiful corset. The craftsmanship is amazing. It is, whoops, I touched the mic. It is really nice. That's what I keep saying, but because I love it so much, I'm so happy with it. It's actually really comfortable. The fabric, like, is cashmere. It's really nice. The fabric is really, like, stiff and sturdy, and I would highly recommend a full bust corset, like full corset from them, because, like, wow, if you're gonna get one from anywhere, I would get it from them, and I would get it from them right now, because you can get it for 15% off, so that's all I'm saying. This is really nice. I love this. Wow. I'm like surprised at how much movement I'm able to have and how unrestricted my breathing is. I'm definitely used to a more restricted breathing in corsets because I used to only wear crappy ones, but now that I'm buying nice ones, that's not happening as much. The sun is like right in my eyes. This is not ideal. But yeah, like as I was saying, Victorian corsets, like for all those people who keep sending me photos of like what Victorian corsets did to women, the key words there are what Victorian corsets did to women. They're not designed like that anymore. Like this is not, if I was wearing this for 10 hours a day, every single day, yes, my ribcage and all my organs would probably be destroyed. If you are wearing it once in a while for fun, you are not endangering yourself. You are not going to kill yourself. You are not going to hurt yourself irreparably. Obviously, like, if you put it on and it hurts and does not feel right, do not wear it. Not everybody's bodies are able to take it. Some people have more resilient torsos than others. It's really, really good for you to do your research before you get one, on good brands, good companies, whatever. And if you want one that is going to be reliable, that is going to last you for years, that is going to be comfortable, you know it's going to look good, it's going to be like exactly your size, I would highly recommend Timeless Trends. Like I know they're sponsoring this video and everything, but I liked them even before that. I have a bunch of their corsets and I would really, really, really recommend it, guys. Again, there's going to be a discount code in the description below.
Ignore the scenery change. I just realized I forgot to film an outro, and this room has the best lighting in my house right now. Yeah, I just want to say, like, thank you guys for watching, and a big thank you to Timeless Trends for actually sponsoring this video. That's huge for me, and I'm super excited about that. Again, all of their information is going to be linked below, so is all of mine. My Instagram and stuff will be linked, and if anybody has any questions, totally fine to answer. I take DMs and stuff. Yeah, but like, thank you guys so much. I guess this is where I say like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. And I hope I can start doing videos more. This was actually really fun. I really like doing this, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this more. So subscribe.